the ultimate guide to NFT $20 MUSE. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. NFT20 is a decentralized exchange and protocol for tokenizing NFT projects as ERC20 tokens to make them tradable on decentralized exchanges such as UniSwap or Sushiswap. Anyone can add their NFT to the appropriate pool and receive ERC20 token derivatives representing that NFT project that can be traded on dexes right away. By creating a secondary market of ERC20 derivatives of NFTs, NFT20 hopes to address the liquidity problem in the NFT space. Addressing this problem allows for arbitrage opportunities, allows investors to gain price exposure to NFT projects without identifying and buying individual NFTs, and allows for fairer price setting and easier trading of NFTs by collectors and newcomers alike. NFT holders, collectors of any project can easily deposit their items in exchange for the associated tokens in order to get instant value and liquidity for their NFTs. NFT20 is also an ideal way to collect NFTs themselves, as the volume and liquidity guarantees a fair price for both sellers and buyers. NFT creators, NFT project developers can create or support the pool for their NFT project on NFT20 as well. Having a healthy pool with good liquidity on a DEX enables your users to easily trade their items together and allows newcomers to get items at a fair price. The pool can also be used as a sale mechanism for NFT projects while the pair is incentivized to get high liquidity. NFT investors, having access to tokenized derivatives of an NFT project enables generic investors to speculate on the price of a collection without having to worry about identifying and buying individual items, as these operations can become pretty difficult. This attempts to address one of the outstanding problems in NFT investing, getting general price exposure to NFT ecosystems. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.